In this short video, I will be explaining what to do if your vehicle is not in the library in the TruckScience program. The TruckScience program is backed by a library of OEM or manufacturer's specifications. This includes drawings, weights, dimensions, and ratings for each truck. The library contains a selection of vehicles that have been added by the TruckScience team or requested by other users. If you need to do a calculation for a vehicle that is not yet in the library, there are three options available as follows. Edit an existing vehicle, use a template, request a vehicle to be added to the library. Let's start with editing an existing vehicle. Firstly, look for the vehicle that is as close as possible to the vehicle that you need. For example, from the same manufacturers and range and the same model series. That is, a vehicle with similar cab design. If your vehicle varies slightly from this one, say the wheelbase or rear overhang, you can edit it as follows. Click on the wheelbase and adjust the measurement. And click on rear overhang and adjust the measurement also. You will probably need to update axle weights and ratings then too. Just click on the relevant values in the table to edit them. Note that the cab dimensions are read-only and therefore cannot be edited, as this would compromise the integrity of the drawing. Save the calculation to your personal library for reuse in the future. Your second option is to use a template. If you need to edit a dimension that is not editable on a standard chassis, you may need to use a vehicle template instead. For this, you will need a vehicle spec sheet such as the one I have here. Open the vehicle template that matches the axle layout and cab design of your truck, in this case the conventional cab US 6x4 chassis cab. Refer to your spec sheet and review weights and dimensions and edit them as needed. Let's set the wheelbase to 224 inches as per the spec sheet. You can also edit the chassis weight on each of the axles. Carry on editing weights, dimensions, and ratings until your template vehicle matches that of your spec sheet. Note how the graphic, the dimensions, and the weights table are updated on the fly. This vehicle is now ready for your calculation. If you might need to reuse this vehicle in the future, you could save two copies, one with the suffix spare chassis and the second one with the name of the calculation you wish to work on. Lastly, if editing a similar vehicle or using a template is not an option for you, you may require that the TruckScience team adds a model from the OEM's current range for you. This can be done by selecting Request a Vehicle and filling out the relevant sections, and then submitting your request. If you have any more questions about what to do if your vehicle is not in the library in the TruckScience program, please reach out via our in-app chat. Thank you for watching.